Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and noting your PC model and exact OS version so you download compatible drivers. Next, back up the current driver, export or copy the driver folder, because you may need to roll back. Once done, download both the latest generic audio driver and the OEM-specific package to your desktop. This gives you options. Now open Device Manager and locate the audio device so you can prepare to uninstall cleanly. You should uninstall the audio device in Device Manager and check Delete the driver software for this device to force removal of remnants. Once that completes, reboot into safe mode to clean any leftover driver packages and temporary files. This prevents conflicts. After cleaning, reboot normally and install the generic driver first using manual have disk or the OEM installer if available. Make sure to follow prompts and restart when requested. This sequence isolates conflicts and ensures a clean, fresh driver installs correctly. After installation, set the corrected audio device as the default playback device and test with several apps and headphones so you confirm consistent output. Next, update Windows and the motherboard chipset drivers because audio often depends on system buses. Run the built-in audio troubleshooter for automated fixes. If audio remains faulty, roll back to your backup driver or use system, restore to return to the pre-change state. One key troubleshooting tip. Check BIOS audio settings and ensure the onboard sound is enabled if nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.